In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Jira not sending email notifications. If Jira stops sending notifications, it can be confusing because updates may be happening in your projects without anyone knowing about them. The good news is that this is usually caused by a small setting, and you can check it step by step. First, open Jira and click your profile icon. From there, go to Personal Settings, then select Email Notifications. Here, make sure notifications are actually enabled for your account. If this setting is turned off, Jira may be working correctly, but you still will not receive any email updates. This is one of the most common things to check first because it only takes a moment and can save you a lot of troubleshooting time. Next, open the Jira issue where you expected to receive a notification. Check whether you are watching that issue. If not, click Watchers and add yourself if needed. Also confirm that the issue has the correct assignee or participants. In many Jira setups, notifications depend on your relationship to the issue, so if you are not assigned, watching, or included as a participant, Jira may have no reason to send you an email for certain events. After that, go to Project Settings and select Notifications. Review the project's notification scheme carefully. Make sure key events such as issue created, issue updated, issue assigned, and comment added have the correct recipients configured. If the notification scheme is missing users, groups, roles, or watchers for those events, emails may never be triggered, even though activity is happening inside the project. Then click your profile icon again and open Account Settings. Confirm that your email address is correct. If Jira asks you to verify your email, complete that verification. Even a small typo or an unverified address can prevent notifications from reaching you, so this step is important. If you have admin access, the next place to check is the mail server configuration. Go to Settings, then System, and open Outgoing Mail. Confirm that the mail server is configured correctly. If there is an option to send a test email, use it. This helps you quickly confirm whether Jira can send messages at all, separate from issue-specific notification settings. Finally, if you are an admin, go back to Settings and open System, then Mail or the Audit Log. Look for failed email delivery attempts and review any errors that appear. These logs often point directly to the problem, such as a configuration issue or delivery failure, making it much easier to fix. If you work through each of these checks carefully, you can usually identify why Jira is not sending email notifications and get everything working again.